Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the sound production in insects. So insects are noisy animals and many insects like different types of grasshoppers, the butterflies, bugs, bees and even the mosquitoes they can produce sounds. And the noises of some insect sounds very musical, and the insect produce such musical sound for the variety of reasons like to call a mate, for the different purpose, or to pick a fight, or sometimes just by the vibration of the wings. So insects have different mechanisms or methods for producing a different sounds. Like they are like stridulations, percussions, timbling, vibration, air expulsion, etc. So male grasshoppers usually they make sounds to call a female for mating, and female songs are to call the male or to show the readiness for the courtship. Sometimes the sound are also made as rival sounds to compete with the male. So sounds are generated by scraping the row of pegs that is present inside in the side of the hind legs against the prominent cuticular vein on the front wings. And then cicada. The cicada produce the sounds to attract the mates for courtship and as an alarm for potential predators. And cicada's calls are but very specific. The main organ for the sound production in cicada is the timbal membranes. And adult cicada, male cicada possess two ribbed chitinous membranes called the timbals. One membrane on each side of the of its first abdominal segment. Uh, and by contracting the timbal muscle, the cicada pulls the membrane inward, producing a loud click. As the membrane snaps back, it clicks again, and the two timbals click alternately. So air sacs in the hollow abdominal cavity amplify the clicking sounds, and the tympanic structure further amplifies the sound. Such sound production's mechanism is called timbaling, and some cicadas also produce sounds by percussion. And the calling song of cricket helps the female to find its mate from distance. The female also responds with a unique specific sound to signal male of her own species. And cricket produce sound by rubbing their wings together. The forewing is specialized for the production of the sound, and at the base of the forewing there's a thick series of dish-like structure in one of the bounding vein called the file. The upper surface of the forewing is hardened like a scraper. When the male cricket lifts its wing and pulls the file of one wing across the scraper of the other, the scrapers within the wings vibrate and produce sound. Then some European hawk moth or the head hawk expels air through the mouth first with force and then makes a distinct sound. It is an example of air expulsion mechanism. Then bees are produce a buzzing sound when bees can flap their wings at 230 beats per second, and this rapid wing beat causes a vibration in the air, and that vibration travels to our ear, and then it forms like a buzzing sound. Then mosquitoes can make the buzzing sound by flapping their wings, and it vibrates its wings at an average rate of 500 to 1000 vibrations per second. So this was my very brief presentation on the sound production mechanism of insect. If you need in more detail, you can write to me and message me. So these are few references that I have taken for the preparation of I have followed for the preparation of this presentation. So thank you so much.